Hey guys, let's see today how to make app icons bigger on iPhone screen. So guys, whatever you are seeing that app, the size you wanted to make it bigger, then in order to make it bigger, guys, just go to settings, and now from the settings page, just try to find display and brightness. Here you go. Yeah, just tap on it, and now guys, just try to come down, and you can see over here at the bottom display zoom. Just tap on it, and now guys, it's by default selected as a default, but if you are looking that app icons, it's look like a much bigger, then just go for the larger text. And guys, you have to just confirm, just click on the done, and after that guys, just wait for the moment, and you can just click use zoom. Yeah, and just for wait for a moment, it will restart that your that app icon, that size, it will look like a much bigger. Yeah, so earlier it was showing like a little small, but now it's showing like a much bigger if you compare to the previous my app icon, the size, my app icon size. So guys, this way you can make it app icons bigger on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.